Hey, good morning, Hertz. Yeah, I decided to change it around a little bit. I was getting tired of trading ES. It's just the market doesn't move as much as what I wanted to, compared to the NQ. Plus, I only got like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Or I got that going. Give me 1 second. Yeah, let's track back there. Sorry for the echo there. Yeah, I'm got a little tired of trading the ES there. It's just not enough movement for me, especially when I only trade for an hour live. So that's kind of tough. So I decided to take a break and just go back to trading NQ for today anyway. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be trading the my fund and futures account, which I'm just gonna show you where I'm at with that. Yeah, so since the beginning of October, all I've been doing is just trading NQ offline, like I told you guys earlier. So for the month of October, it's been pretty good so far. One losing day, which was on a Monday. Yeah, you can see I traded a lot. I'm scalping NQ, so that's why you see a lot of trades there. But yeah, it's been I've been enjoying NQ a lot more. So let's try the open on the NQ today. Um, to see, yeah, to see how we do. Um, yeah, I'll probably get back to the ES maybe tomorrow or maybe even next week. I just feel like I'm not getting anywhere with ES. So yeah, let's change it up a little bit today and trade NQ. Let's scalp it. Yeah, yeah, me too. I really enjoy NQ. Yeah, I usually trade when the market opens. I usually use the RTH session. You guys don't see it. I got multiple monitors, so I usually trade using the RTH session where I can see um, uh, a little bit more in the sense that it's more clear to me than trading the 247 session. So yeah, I do trade RTH sessions. It's just you guys don't see it. So I decided to just go ahead and bring it in as the main chart on the stream today, which is the RTH. But I do have the 247 charts on another monitor. Yeah, so this is this is the art the um, the 247 charts here. As you can see, it's a little bit more. It has more zones, so I kind of use it to see direction of what's happening overnight, right? So it looks like it's going to be kind of a bit of a chop here. So sellers, you got supply zone up here on top here, and then you got demand zone down here. So if it comes up here, ideally I like it to kind of break this high here a little bit, and then I probably go ahead and take a short there. So that's my kind of playbook for this opening. Is I'm looking for a short just to fill the gap, right? Because it's been so weak, right? Since yesterday, right? Look at the overnight, right? It's just very range bound. So I tend not to use this on my opening trades. Yeah, so I'm looking for a short here on the open. So with NQ, I'm using I'm going my entry, so not like ES there. I'm using 1 minute and the 5 minute for the entries, and I'm using the higher time frame, the 15 and the 30 minutes here to see where I'm at. So you see a bunch of zones here. It got tapped in already, and then I added the daily chart as well, right? So I can see the zones here as well. Right? There's support here, right? You see this pivot line here. Let me just change that pivot line to a different color. You know, I'll just leave it at it as is. It's almost a minute into the trading day here. So, good luck all. Not sure what that's showing up here. Bring this up a little bit so you guys can see all that. All right. All right, good luck all. So again, my bias right now is see if I can find a short here right at the open. Now, just to put my stop a bit up here. I'm going, I'm going to take two here. There you go, guys. That's why I love NQ, guys. That's why I love NQ. Fast, quick, nice and easy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Should have maybe just kept the runner, but coulda, shoulda. Possible short here on another 1 minute here. See how it bounced the off the PLC here? So that's a short here, but the problem is right now on the 5 minute, I see a zone here, right? I see a zone down here as well. So that's a confirmation short on the 1 minute. Not taking that just because there's a lot of zones down here, right? On the 1 minute, the 5 minute, there's a zone right there. Now, if this 1 minute bar here is negative, I might just take another short here. But again, you're fighting a zone here, right? So that's not good. Okay, so I might take a short here again, another short, if this thing comes down. But again, you have a pivot level right there, right? And you guys can see that the PLC is kind of on the low bar here. So it's So that's it's coming back to test the zone here. I'll wait for this zone to clear out on the 1 minute. Ideally, I like the NQ to come up here, test the 1 minute up here to take another short, but so this is going to be resistance here on the 1 minute. The 5 minute, as you can see, there's a zone there. It went right into it. That's why the zone is gray. It's kind of oversold as well, right? Because you see this momentum indicator here. It's very oversold right now. So taking a short is a little bit risky. So here's another support here on the daily chart, right? So take a look at that. It's going to break that wick. Mm. Should have hold my one of my runner on the 1 minute there. Yeah, that would have been a nice trade. I didn't even check news. Let me see if there's any news today. I don't think there's news. Oops, let me check that. Yeah, no, nothing. So I expect this to kind of push up here on the NQ on the 1 minute. If it comes up here, if I see a signal, if it comes up to this zone right up here, I will take another short here. And the reason I'm taking that, I would take that short is because it's testing the VWAP, right? If VWAP is coming down, so it's testing the zone here on the 1 minute. You get that zone here on the 5 minute. So I would recommend going short right now. All right, took out that low there on the 1 minute. Again, momentum right now is very oversold right now. All right, so there's a zone here on the 5 minute. I like this to come up here, test the VWAP for me to take another short. I don't like trading breakouts. I'm not very good at that. Yeah, it's not the top step account I'm trading right now. I'm kind of tired of trading ES right now, so I'm just want to come back to NQ. So the one I'm trading right now is this one right here. Is the my funded future account here. This one is exclusive for NQ. Yeah, I'm getting kind of tired of trading ES right now. Okay, it looks like it's gonna break down here. Again, take a look at the one. Take a look at the daily chart here, right? So if it comes down and touches this right here, there's gonna be support, right? There's a support in the zone here. So ideally, if it comes down here, I might take a long. I like it when it breaks wicks. NQ likes to do that. Okay, here's first zone right here. Now, I'm not going to take a short here, or I might, just because it's massively oversold. Take a look at that, right? Just massive oversold. RSI is also below, is very low as well. But this would be a good short coming up here. Yeah, I might take a short here. See how this bar closes on the 1 minute. It rejected the VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna probably take a short here. Got 30 seconds. The only thing I don't like about it is take a look at the higher time frame, right? You'll see. Okay, I'm gonna 16 seconds. See what happens. Okay, I'd like to take a short here. There it is. Target right there. Stop me just above this. There you go. Done. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I love NQ. Again, I also got the signal too, right? On this, sorry, on this 1 minute bar here. You see that signal right there? I think we're gonna be done for the day here pretty quickly. I'll probably continue to trade this offline, but for the first 30 minutes, I got a meeting at 7 in about 15 minutes. So, all right, it's gonna come and test the daily here, the daily zone. You can see it over here on this chart right here on the daily zone. It's gonna go ahead and test this. It's gonna break the wick. My guess is that buyer's gonna step in here. That's just my guess, but we'll see. There you go. It's going to go ahead and test the, it's going to test the daily zone right here. So I'm looking for this to bounce up now. It took out the low, right? Previous day's low. So I'm looking this to come up. You see buyers right here stepping in there. You got the POC right there on the 1 minute right here, right? You got buyers stepping in now. Yeah, and there we go. It's pushing back up. I don't like taking this trade here just because if it breaks, it's going to break hard. Right? I like the 5 minute to also confirm as well. Okay, you're coming into a pivot here. You got a bit of rejection. You see POC here. I still think it's going to go ahead and test the zone here on the daily chart. It's going to test the 1 minute key zone right here. See if it holds right here. See if it holds. Wow, it's holding. 5 minutes confirming as well. Buyers are stepping in there, right? That's a signal to go long. I'm not doing that. So buyers couldn't hold that gain. Okay, so hit the zone, right? Hit the daily zone here. So what I'm thinking is it's gonna pop up here. I like the 5 minute to also confirm here on the 1 minute, and it looks like it is. Right, buyer stepping in now. So take a look at that daily zone right here. Right, it touched it. Not sure if there's any more. Got another buyers, right? Buyers, a buyer bar there, right? On the 1 minute. Got cyan, cyan. I'd like it to drop a little bit more before I take a long here. That buyer stepping in now. So the cyan bar that you guys see here are basically buyers stepping in here. Yep. So buyers, yep, buyers. Um, so take that on here. It's still bearish right now, right? You can see the trend line. It's going to test this break here on the 5 minute. This one right here. So yeah, that's a signal for long here on these two bars here on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. So this is where it broke, where this rally pattern broke. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, it's not holding. Oh, it might. Okay, you got another zone forming. But the 5 minute looks bearish to me. All right, guys, it's coming up to 7, so I'm probably gonna close the stream here. Yeah, it's gonna be a short trade. Um, I should have let my runner on the first trade here just gone through, but could have should have, right? So that's a signal for short here on the 1 minute. You got another one here, and then you got buyer stepping in here. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade ES or not. I might as well just stick to NQ really. Um, but yeah, thanks for coming.